Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to show you this, I think she called it like a file folder box. I followed the tutorial from Posh Paper Lady. I'll put the link to her tutorial in the description bar. It is super easy and it came out so freaking cute. So let me show you. Okay, so this is what it looks like standing. You get a better view when showing it this way. But it's a little file folder made out of envelopes. And in her tutorial, she used 10 envelopes. I used 5 because I wasn't sure if I'm gonna gift this or if I'm gonna keep it. So I figured, let me just do 5 because it's kind of easier to fill out 5 than fill out 10 envelopes. But anyway, I might actually keep it because it's so freaking cute. So this is what it looks like. And of course, I had to use the polka doodle Ruby girls that I colored. Isn't she adorable? And then those are flowers from my stash. That paper is also from polka doodles. I put a little flower bead there. A flower bead here. And then the back looks like that. And these homemade stickers are from April's Creations on Etsy. She's also on Instagram. And then these feet are from Tim Holtz. Aren't they cute? I love it. And it stands perfect on your desk. So you can put, whatever goodies you want in here. If you're going to do it for like Happy Mail, you could write maybe ephemera, stickers or bows or whatever. You can just use the tabs to write what's inside. And because they're using envelopes, it's a nice size. And you could use any size envelope that you want. Girl, I have so many envelopes because I do all my cards and all my cards are dimensional. So I end up not doing anything with envelopes. So this project is perfect for envelopes. So thank you to the Posh Paper Lady for the super quick and easy tutorial. I would definitely make another one. Look how cute. All right, guys, I just wanted to come real quick and show you. Definitely, I think you guys will love making this because it just looks adorable. Perfect for your desk. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.